with the bullets or without him appearing in the ballot, he must be the president next year. He must be the president next year. Because we are tired. Ugandans, we are tired. We tried. We gave you people the chance to rewrite your wrongs. But what did you do? You took us for granted. All you care is making the worsening matter worse. We tried keeping quiet. That maybe, because we had hope. Since they say that human beings are the most hopeful creature on earth, that even if one doesn't know he will wake up tomorrow, he still sets an alarm. And indeed, the person wakes up. We kept quiet with the hope that maybe time will reach that your conscience would judge you, but it did not. Instead, you continue losing the sense of humanity that God created you with, to the extent that one has even the audacity to come out with a lot of pride, boasting on how he is responsible for taking life. For taking life, no. And it is what they call patriot to them. So this is the high time for you people to meet the courage of Ugandans. All I call upon our youths, my fellow youths, that we are in a sanctuary, that our generation has been dehumanized by multimedia. But I want to remind everyone, freedom, peace, employment, anything that has got to do with making a country a better place to live, we shall not download it from Google. Much as we have been dehumanized by multimedia, we are the one to fight and make our country a better place to live. No one will come and fight for you. Even if you cry for Simani, those foreign countries, Simani what? Remember, they also have their own political prisoners. They also have their own political issues. Let us fight for our country as Ugandans. Those you saw. So you guys thought that those districts that you listed were what would be the distance from where those districts are with the Kavule. You thought why it would take people 1 week to reach Kavule to give Robert KYAGULANYI SENTAMU their autograph or signature. Let me make it simple. And again, I want to assure you people that you will kill people and kill everyone. But as long as the same hand you use for killing those people, the same hand you use for sucking blood is the same hand you use to feed your children, they will pay the price. Believe me or not. Because those who do wrong, and it so happens that they have children, they don't enter with their wrongs to the grave. They leave it on their children. And the time will come that when people see your children, they don't remember you, but they remember the wrongs you did to Ugandans. I'm assuring you. Some of you think that maybe you'll not leave the stage. If the best dancer leaves the stage, what makes you think that you, the worst dancer, you'll not leave the stage? Eh? With the bullets or without him appearing in the ballot, he will be the president. Just be ready to hand over. Some of you call yourself great. you call yourself simanyi successful leaders. The greatness of any leader, or the legacy and the success of any leader, is always and only determined by the success of his successor. Now, if you don't want people to replace you, how do you expect us to create the room to give you that credit? Because credit always given where it deserves. Mutulemeza n'otulo video tukwata kiro misana Christmas what? Mugende agamazima mugende. Ekimala kimala.